Some viewers may find the heavy breathing disturbing. One of the cameramen has asthma.
Oh my gosh. Who is it now? Man, what you want?
Good afternoon. We got a special delivery for a real one.
For who?
A real one.
Oh yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Can you?
Hey, don't worry about that, sir. I'll get that for you.
Oh, hey. You said it right there. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much, man.
No problem, sir. It's my pleasure. Have a good day.
Let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here.
What is it?
Oh, look at that. It looks like I don't know.
Oh boy. Hey.
Ooh.
Clean.
There we go. That looks good. That looks good. Really looks so good. Wow. So look at that.
Looks amazing. Oh yeah.
That's really pretty. Cool. Let's get to it.
Oh, did you get any stickers, bro? Oh, always digging for it.
Dude,
What we got?
they gave me a window penguin. Pretty sweet. We got the mounting bolts and whatever that is.
Is there anything in this box?
First things first, we're gonna get this intake off. And then we're gonna take out the AC, the condenser, figure out how to do this. We got these, don't mind the mosquito bite. We got these from Lowe's. So what we're gonna do with this is once we put the radiator on, we're gonna mock these up and protect that. This one, you may ask, is for this. So we're gonna put this behind the grill to add that extra protection to the radiator. And plus it adds a really pretty design. So yeah, let's do it. That was really super tight to begin with. I'll just set everything right here in this clean spot. This is where we lay most of our parts. Yeah.
What?
Let me get this fan off real quick.
Say, hold up.
Doing out here with all this ass? Double cheeked up.
Now, radiator comes out. Boom. Piece of shit. Oh.
Watch your profanity.
This is what we do with these.
That was very destructive as a kid. Now I'm just like, all right.
Okay.
I'll try to get that condenser out. That should do it. I don't think we need AC. I mean, Would you look at this? Look, just look at it. I don't think we need AC. AC condenser is out. It's just, yeah.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh.
Oh, a little extra, but it's all good in the hood. You know why? Because look. So if you're a shade tree mechanic like me, this is a damn good job right here. Oh. Mishimoto thinks ahead. You know why? Look how much extra they gave me. In case you do mess up like this. Thanks, Mishimoto, for always having my back.
What are you doing?
I have no idea.
My boy got the Crockett Logans.
Supra.
Best $500 I ever spent. Bro, my boy on a Fagio. Yeah.
My finger, I got cuts on my finger. This shit's burning.
For real?
Yeah.
It's good,
I just
bro.
feel a bunch of fucking.
It's 93. How'd you like it, Mom?
Man, that was a motherfucking ride there. He said better than your daddy.
You said what?
He said better than your daddy. Max ain't got nothing on this.
Because after dinner, everyone ought to have a cigar. I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone. I smoke my stogie anywhere I want. I don't have to find a hideout place like you. Flappy, you're a deadbeat.
Look at Terry.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
24 hours later.
Hey guys, this is Marissa, Terry's girlfriend, and I'm gonna fuck this shit up just like I did your mom last night.
Pay for tires? Nah, I'm just fucking with you. How'd you feel? It's cool, man. Yeah, you gotta probably put the seat back and get out. I have to do it, man. I like those more.
What's wrong with you, bro? What the heck? You tripping?
After 2 days at the track, two broken studs, a bad rear lower control arm. This radiator held up better than I did. I had a lot of people saying, oh, you're not gonna get proper airflow because of this. But if you get lower with it, you can see where I have that guard and all the air flows through there. She holds up really good. So I decided I'm gonna put one of my very first few decals on here. Oh, Haarper Free. We'll put this on and represent. Oh, my kneecaps. Cool. That looks good. What do you think? So now I'm gonna put this I'm sure it'll work great in this car. You can probably smell it really good. There we go. Alright. Now we're gonna put this little smelly penguin in the car. Good air freshener. Look at that. Smells like goodness. Yeah, that's it, folks. That's it. That about wraps it up.
Yeah, you just gotta let your balls drop, and if they don't drop, just tuck your penis.
Sometimes you just gotta send it.
Yeah.